Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep chrome wheels clean. First, thoroughly rinse your wheels with a strong stream of water to remove any loose dirt, dust, and debris. This initial step prevents scratching the chrome during the cleaning process. Next, apply a high-quality, pH-neutral wheel cleaner specifically formulated for chrome surfaces. Let it dwell for a short period, usually about 2 to 3 minutes, as directed by the product instructions. For more stubborn brake dust and iron particles, consider using a dedicated iron remover. Spray it evenly over the wheel surface and allow it to react, often indicated by a color change to purple or red. After the recommended dwell time, typically 3 to 5 minutes, thoroughly rinse the wheels again with plenty of water. Ensure all cleaning products are completely washed away to prevent any residue from drying on the chrome. Immediately after rinsing, dry your chrome wheels with a clean, soft microfiber towel. This prevents water spots and streaks, which can be particularly noticeable on shiny chrome. Once dry, apply a small amount of chrome polish to a separate microfiber applicator pad. Gently work the polish into the chrome to remove any remaining haze or minor imperfections, restoring its brilliant shine. To maintain that pristine look, apply a high-quality sealant or wax specifically designed for chrome. This adds a protective layer, making future cleanings easier and helping to repel dirt and brake dust. Regular, light cleanings between deep washes will prevent heavy buildup and keep your wheels looking their best. Remember to check the description for links to products mentioned and other great deals, including the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.